So I just wanted to pop in here, or before you guys watch the video, but I wanted to just kind of talk about what's going on right now in the world, and it would be extremely insensitive and disrespectful if I didn't. And I just posted a video like everything was okay when clearly it's not. And I just, it is so heartbreaking that it is 2020 and we're still doing this. We're still judging people for the color of their skin. And I don't understand. I don't think I ever will understand, but I do know that there are ways to help, and staying silent is not one of those ways. There are, petitions that you can sign if you're not comfortable actually going out and protesting, which if you are going out and protesting, please, please, please be safe. I know that there are riots happening and people are angry, but then there's also peaceful protests that nobody talks about. And I think that the media is just portraying the riots, and they're not, well, the media is in like the mainstream media, and they're not talking about all the peaceful protests that are also happening around the world. And there's so many ways that you can educate yourself, and there are resources out there. I mean, there are documentaries that you can watch, there are books that you can read, and the list goes on. There are also ways that you can donate if you want to donate, or there are petitions that you can sign. There are emails that you can email. There are text numbers that you can text. So there are different ways to get involved and to speak up. I'll never know, as a privileged white woman, I'll never know the pain that the Black community is going through right now. And I just, it's so heartbreaking that this is still going on, and it needs to stop. And if you think that, I'm one person, I can't make a difference, well, you're wrong. Because it starts with you. Use your voice. So I just wanted to pop on here and say that. Yeah. Good morning. Got my tea. So today is quite the day. I wasn't expecting these prints for at least another week, but they came this morning, as well as this package, which actually, oh, I do know what's in the package. I'll open the package. So I just took photos for my prints, which I will show you. So these are the 2 new prints that I am putting up on my website. This is one of them. Super cute. I'm really into like these muted colors for whatever reason. So this is like a peach and a green, and then a silhouette of a plant. And then this one was just kind of, I don't know, I just designed it out of nowhere. So I think, so this is again like a muted pink and blue. And then the wine glass says, "Wine please." These two are gonna go up for sale. So I took the pictures. I need to like adjust the lighting and whatnot. And then I need to create a, like input all the information for Etsy about the price and whatnot. I think I'm gonna do that right now because I wanna get those up. So I can post the Instagram picture that I just took, saying that they're for sale. So I have those, which by the time you're watching this video, they're for sale. And you guys, I got a Cricut maker. Let me show you. There it is. Please don't mind the mess. I need to take care of that. Yeah, that shelf is going to be organized soon because I have something in this box that's going to help with that. But I got the Cricut maker. I haven't used it yet. I've just been too busy with work. It came yesterday, so I unboxed it yesterday. I'm super excited. I designed a few stickers for it, so I might try to play around with that maybe today. I'm really trying to finish the commission, as you all know, that I'm working on, so that the Cricut might be tomorrow, because I get a lot of work. Let's open this package. So I ordered some organizers, which let's open it up for my stickers. Currently my stickers are in like a small pencil organizer, and I wanted something bigger because I want to create, I like creating stickers and I want to create more. So let's see. How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna put it here, get my scissors. I need to put some on the ground. A box inside a box. What? Okay. Alright. Why is this Okay. So, technically, this is a makeup organizer. So this is it. And it has these drawers that pull out. And I just thought it would be a really nice way to organize my stickers. So here's this. And like put my shipping cards or my shipping things in there. So I got two of these. And I need to put them somewhere. Oh, and it comes with a cleaning cloth. How nice. Or is this not? Wait, hold on. Just kidding. These are the things that go on the bottom. It's not a cleaning cloth. Oh my god. So it's like if you want to put that. I don't know if I'm gonna use these. Maybe I will. cool. So I also need to organize that. But first I need to do some computer work and put those prints up for sale. So let's do that. Is quite some time later that putting up Etsy promotion, or putting up Etsy, like beer products on Etsy, always takes a hot minute because there's always so many questions. So that took a minute. But it's good. They're for sale. You can purchase them. That's that. I also moved my drawer. I don't think I'm going to use these, which are the things that they provided to put on the bottom. I don't know, I'll hold on to them. Maybe I'll use them. But for right now, I'm not. But let me show you where I moved them. So I just moved it right here. And I do have 2 of them, but I'm only gonna use 1 for the time being because right now I only have these 2 stickers. So until I need more room, I'm gonna just hold off on that. And then I just put my shipping, my thank you card, the Instagram card, and the sticker just down here for the time being. All right, so that's done. I think I'm gonna hold off on using the Cricut. I haven't used it before. So I think it's gonna take me a hot minute to like figure out. I don't know, maybe it's really easy. But I think the rest of the day I'm just gonna draw, and then I will catch up with you guys tomorrow and try to tackle the Cricut. But for right now, enjoy the drawing montage. Good morning. It is clearly the next day. I'm wearing my these are my blue light glasses because I've been doing some computer work. I've answered some emails, I updated my Etsy shop, stuff like that. And now I want to try to use the Cricut. So I've never used a Cricut machine. I was reading up on it just so I'm kind of know what to do before I turn the camera. But the sticker design that I wanted to try it on is actually a new sticker. It's this wine glass that says, "Wine please." So I got the page set up, I believe. So I copy and pasted all these little guys, and I'm going to import that, fingers crossed that it works, into my Cricut software, I guess, and then kind of see where it goes. I haven't printed this yet, so I do need to print it. I need to move my Cricut machine because there's not enough room where it is now. And let's see if it works. Let me move the machine first. Okay, so I think so far so good. I'm gonna try to pull this off. Also, there's a cat hair on my sticker mat, and I haven't even used it yet. It didn't cut. Okay. It didn't work. What? Why not? So, I feel like it's gonna take me a few tries. Why did it not? Maybe the setting's not high enough? So it didn't, so it just didn't cut all the way through the vinyl. Maybe I need to watch like some Cricut tutorials, because it was all good until I can't cut through it. Well, that's annoying. But the sticker's cute. Look at the little sticker. Okay. Well, I guess I will try to figure this out. If anyone has any Cricut hacks, please, please, please let me know. So right now my dial's on vinyl. If I move it, do I move it to something else to make it cut through the entire sticker? I don't know. Because right now it's just, I can like peel the sticker. It's not cutting all the way through the paper. So if anyone can help me, I would love that. I'm probably gonna watch some Cricut tutorials and try to figure it out, but I would love any advice. It also made these weird marks on the sticker, and I don't know if it's like registration marks or what. I don't know if you can see it. You see these like marks? What is that? I feel like it's a registration mark, but I don't know. Clearly the first try didn't work. It like half worked. It's like 50-50 right now. So I think I'm gonna spend the rest of my day drawing. I need to finish a commission. I've been talking about it for weeks. I am so close to finishing. So close. I'm gonna try to figure this out, and hopefully in next week's video I'll have it figured out and I'll be cutting stickers. But for right now, I think I'm gonna enjoy my tea, try to watch some Cricut tutorials, and then draw. But I am going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any Cricut advice, please let me know, because I don't know what I'm doing. But I will see you guys next week. Bye.